Hi everyone. In this video I'll show you how to replace this Hyundai key fob battery used for different years, different models, Veloster and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key. We do that by pulling this button to the left and then we pull the key out. Now, as you can see, there is a slot right here. Okay, so I take a flathead, make sure it's big enough not to damage the cover. I insert and I turn clockwise. Okay, pretty easy. And now from here you can open the key fob. This is the electronics, do not touch it. Here is the battery. Now I'll take a small flathead and right here I can take the battery out. Okay, as I said, 2032. This is a good one, so I'll use it again. Face down, I slide it in and I press once again. Take a small flathead underneath the battery. To put it back, you slide it in first this side and then you press. Now we just have to put the cover back on, tighten everything, put the emergency key back, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think.